Hey Connor, good afternoon. My name is Brandon and I'm with Sublime SEO Pro. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks on how to get your website ranked to outrank your top competitor on Google. So if we type in HVAC company in Denver, here is the front page of Google. You've got your ads right here, you've got your Google Map Pack right here, and then you've got your top organic searches right here. Okay, so this is the top organic search, not including Yelp or Angie's List. And I'm going to show you what these guys are doing to outrank everybody else on Google and how we can get your website to outrank their website with 3 tips and tricks. Okay, so I understand that you are in charge of marketing over there, and I don't mean to step on your toes or anything like that. You can take this information and run with it if you'd like and get it done on your own. Or if you'd like some help or to partner up on something like this, I'm more than happy to have that conversation as well. My only goal is that you get something out of this and it is valuable to you. Okay, so Fabiola had me go ahead and send this over to you, and I hope you get something from it. It'll only take about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today. Number 1, content. Number 2, backlinks. And number 3, citations. So Google cares mostly about content when they're ranking a website. So the average site on Google has about 1,500 words on their homepage. So this would be a good starting point for you. Get yourself up to at least 1,500 words, if not 2,000 words on this front page. The website design looks great. I love it. But I copied and pasted into here, and your front page only has 435 words on it. Okay? Now, it's important what is actually in the content. What is in the content matters more than the number of words. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are words that people are commonly typing into Google when they're searching for your product or service. So let's take a look at this tool called Ahrefs. I've got your website in here. It shows that you have 2,300 keywords, which is great. That's a phenomenal start. But let's look at these keywords. We need to make sure that these are buyer intent keywords. So air conditioning service, Cherry Hills Village, that is a great keyword because somebody in Cherry Hills who is looking for an air conditioning repair is probably going to type that in. Absolute Electric, I understand that that's your business name. Absolute Heating and Air, Denver Furnace Install, that's a good one. So you've got a really good start on this, okay? But just make sure that all of your keywords are truly buyer intent keywords. And if you haven't done this already, you can save these photos as keywords. Okay, so save all your photos as buyer intent keywords if they're not already. So Absolute Van, instead of doing that, put a keyword in there, and that'll help. Just go through all of these tabs and do that through all of these pages. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere another website links back to your website. Now, these need to be linking from relevant and trustworthy websites. They can't just be any website. So Google likes to see other websites that have, that are in your industry or service sector, like HVAC companies, restoration companies, duct cleaners, insurance, things like that. You can't just link yourself to Pizza Hut because Google knows that you're not in the food industry. Okay, so you've got 2,100 backlinks from 766 different websites, which again, great start, man. You are pretty much there. Here's your top competitor. You actually have more backlinks and more backlinks from different websites than they do. So they have 1.2K. You have 2.1K. So they have more backlinks than you, and you also have more keywords than them. But for whatever reason, they have 1,400 traffic to their site, and that could be reported incorrectly. It's probably higher than that. So that with their backlinks and their keywords, they're generating 1,400 or more people per month to their site, and you guys are only getting 900 or more, with your backlinks and your keywords. So that tells me is that some of your keywords and backlinks aren't buyer intent keywords and are not actual relevant backlinks. So I would go into these guys' backlinks and figure out how many backlinks that they have and which ones are relevant and which ones are not. Copy all the ones they have and add even more. Okay. The last thing I want to talk to you about is how to get on the map pack. So we need to get you guys here. And in order to do that, you need to list yourself in as many directories as possible. So these are called citations. You need to get as many citations as possible. So I would find how many Golden West Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, how many they're in, add yourself to all the same ones, and then add yourself to like 50 more. So if they're in 200 directories, put yourself in like 250 or 300, all the same ones and more. And if you can do that, along with adding more buyer intent keywords to your front page and getting at least 1,500 words on your front page, as well as getting better backlinks, you should be well on your way to getting into these #1 spots here on this Google front page. Okay, so if you have any questions on that or you have any feedback, I would love to hear from you, Connor. Like I said, you can run with this information if you'd like, or you can give me a call and we can see if there's a way that we can work together on this. Whatever you'd like to do is totally up to you, but I hope this was valuable and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks so much, Connor.